Hello guys, Mehul here back again with another new video. And you guys understand that when you are creating something, like when you are learning something and learning it for the first time, or maybe you are into that field, but you still need some of the guidance from who is experienced, right? You need mentorship. So today I have a platform that is specifically dedicated to this mentorships and feedbacks, like if you wanna get feedback on your portfolio and stuffs like that. Okay. Now I have been knowing this platform for few months right now, but back then I didn't even used it. Okay, because I didn't require it. But then one thing happened, like uh, when I start applying for jobs for product designers in startups, then I found it useful really, because I have to get some advice before sending a portfolio, or like getting into this field. I really want to discover all of the findings beforehand, okay, before getting in front of interviewer. So then I started to search for it again and again, and at last now I have found it out, because I totally forget the link of it. So today I'm gonna feature it, because if I am sharing it in my channel, it's gonna be documented, and later on it will be easier for me to find it out, though I am using it on regular basis right now. So let me share the platform with you. Okay, I will not logged into it and give you look into my account. Not gonna happen that thing. Okay, but today we're gonna discover it all in all. Okay, so you will have an overview of it at all. Okay, so let's just start and let's see what we have today. So today we are going to be looking at ADP list. Okay, now I don't know why their SEO a bit off, because yeah, where I can book meetings to get feedback from industry professionals, that keyword search would work in Google to detect this platform, but it doesn't. But still, I have at last found it again. So yeah, let's talk about it. So you can become mentor in this platform as well, but we are talking about to find mentors. So this is the section for you. You can search for companies, languages, roles, and they have the great support for languages. So whatever language you are comfortable in, you can search mentor in that language, and you can book a one-on-one conversation with them, like meeting with them. Now those are the expertise area that they are providing, as if right now we have design, marketing, product management, product research, and software development, nothing else. And you can choose from countries as well. Okay, so let's just choose one and see what we have. Okay, so let's just choose project management and click on search. So here are the product managers that will appear over here, like project management mentors, and you can actually further divide the uh, filtration process as well. Like you can choose the level of the product manager or whatever they are specifying over there, and you can choose the country again and availability. So suppose you want it within 5 days. Okay, within upcoming 5 days you want to make a mentor. So this is really helpful for that reason. And yeah, you can choose from here, and then you can click on one of them and see their profile as well. So here is their LinkedIn link, and here are there actually space for other links to be mentioned over here as well. You can choose a time slot. Okay, and clearly book a session. Now I am right now not logged in, so I am not getting that. But yeah, you can do that, and you can share it and wishlist this person as well in your wish list. Okay, so that is a simple process that they are doing over here. Now group sessions. Now some of the mentors are there who are actually doing group sessions. So you can join a group session as well. That is also great learning sessions. And topics, you can search on the basis of topics as well. Okay, like pick any topic from here, suppose, and those are the curated topics that they are providing. Okay, they have categorized it already. So suppose I'm clicking on prototyping method. Now it will he this platform will show me experts or mentors in that particular category. Okay, so that's how it works. And rather than that, like, this is one thing that they are doing, like community sessions, right? This week is their product week, like from 10th May to 13th, it is their product week. So they are specifically talking about and doing a webinars or masterclass about product management specifically. Here you can get that. And if you like RSVP into it, they will send you the invite as well. So yeah, do check it out as well, because it's also a great source of learning. So basically that's it about this site. This is how simple it is. And the most important thing is this is totally free. Yeah, this is totally free. I will, like, first time I thought it might charge something, but nah, it's free. It's totally free. And they have mentioned a term over somewhere, like they are democratizing mentorship. So that's a like wonderful line that I really loved. Okay, so yeah, that's about this platform. Use it. I am currently using it and gonna be using it for some days, like some days, what some days, like gonna be using it for some months or years. Okay, because I really loved it. Maybe can become a mentor in it after like joining into some of the big tax companies. Whatever, let's suppose that will happen as well, whatever. So that's it for this platform. If you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to this channel. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up, yeah, and like share with your friends, comment down below, do whatever, like, please help me to boost up the YouTube algorithm. And if you know what some of the great platforms like this, please let me know about them, because those are really helpful and people need this. Okay, so I will be featuring them on my future videos as well, for like obviously future aspect. So that's it. Bye for now.